My name's Jason Clark, and I'm a solution. For those of you who have no idea what that means, it means that I have the power to make my community stronger. It's the reason that we're kicking off the I'm a Solution campaign, which is about building trust between minority communities and police officers and moving forward. As we all know, these last few months have been trying to make sense of the deaths of Mike Brown and Eric Garner. It's forced us to take a closer look at our justice system and just whether or not people of color are treated with the same dignity and even-handedness as everyone else. At the same time, the murders of two New York cops by an individual with a history of mental illness is a sobering reminder of just how dangerous it is to be a police officer. But while it might be natural to want to find someone to blame, especially after we suffered losses that we don't even always understand, at some point that conversation has to evolve. It has to revolve around preventing the next Mike Brown or Eric Garner or Tamir Rice from being the poster boy for the next American tragedy. So as with that said, the Metropolitan Black Bar Association of New York City and I are organizing a social media drive that we're calling the I'm a Solution campaign. So the goal is to get as many of you as possible to make videos identifying one idea you have for improving relationships between minority communities and police officers. Then, at the end of Black History Month, we're going to review all the videos and include your ideas in a written report that we're going to send to the New York City Mayor's office. Got it? So this is how it works. Take out your phone, set it a video, give your name and state who nominated you, state that you're a solution, and then give one idea for improving relationships between minority communities and police officers. Once you're done, nominate as many friends as you want, and make sure you share online with the MBBA on Facebook or on Twitter with the hashtag I'm a Solution. And then you're done. And don't worry if someone else has the same idea as you. The point is to go out there, give your solution, and have some fun. In fact, we're going to throw in some Beats by Dre headphones to our favorite video. And if you want to see how it's done, feel free to check out my I'm a Solution video on the MBBA website and MBBA Facebook page. So now that you've watched this video, hopefully you'll decide that you want to get more involved. But whatever it is we do, if we want things to change, we have to get active, we have to inspire others, and we have to be the difference makers ourselves. So get active, get involved, become a solution.